Now find the vector equation of the plane passing through the intersection of two planes and passing through the point -2, 1, 3. We know that firstly we change the given plane in Cartesian form. Planes are in Cartesian form. We put r vector equal xi plus yj plus zk and get a dot product of these two vectors, and the value of we obtained is 2x minus 7y 4z minus 3, and Cartesian form of second plane is 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 equal 0. It is Cartesian form of second plane. We know that equation of plane through the intersection of two plane is first plane means 2x minus 7y plus 4z minus 3 plus lambda. Second plane 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11. It is the equation of plane through the intersection of two planes. Now we can write this plane in the form 2 plus 3 lambda x plus minus 7 minus 5 lambda y 4 plus 4 lambda z minus 3 plus 11 lambda equals 0. Means 2 plus 3 lambda minus 7 minus 5 lambda 4 plus 4 lambda minus 3 plus 11 lambda. Since point minus 2, 1, 3 lie on the plane, because this plane is passes through the point -2, 1, 3, then it must be lie on this plane. Then this point will satisfy the equation three. Put the value 2 plus 3 lambda into -2 minus 7 minus 5 lambda 1 4 plus 4 lambda into 3 minus 3 plus 11 lambda equal 0. Now solve the equation. -4 minus 6 lambda minus 7 minus 5 lambda 12 plus 12 lambda minus 3 plus 11 lambda. Then 6 lambda minus 5 lambda 11 lambda cancel. Then 12 lambda equal minus 7 4 11. We get 12 minus 11 1, 1 minus 3 means minus 2, then lambda equal 1 by 6. Put the value in the given equation from third. 2 plus 3 into 1 by 6, x minus 7 minus 5 by 6, y 4 plus 4 by 6, z multiply it by 6, we get 15 x 47 y 28 z minus 7, and it is the equation of required plane.